Spark Post is amazing because you have all these templates. So if we look through the different templates, there's different types of templates to choose from. Working in the lifestyle template, I'm going to pick one that I see that is going to eventually become a poster to advertise our artwork on display. So I'm going to choose Remix. That allows me to change up the design, put my own images in there and my own text. So as I'm doing that, one of the first things I think about would be color and then the words that I want to say. So as I tap a word, I add in what I want it to say. So I just double click it and then I add in my own words. This is going to become a poster for a social awareness project that I'm working on with my Photography 1 class, where they are teaching adults something specific that matters to them. So I just continue to edit and remix, so to speak. I resize my text. I can make it the way I want it. I have a lot of control by toggling back and forth. So just be aware when you're toggling what the colors are within your layers, because you don't want to put something that is not going to have enough contrast to be able to be read. Once I have added in all my text and set it up to be where I want it to be, after I've moved everything around and figured out how this could look the best that it can look, now I'm ready to start adding in my own imagery and continue editing with color and redesign and mixing it up. So first I'm going to start by replacing the photo. I want to put a photo of my students in the background. I'm going to choose a photo from my device. This is my students giving each other their elevator pitch, explaining what their topic is. That's part of the process. Again, one of our structures that we have built in. Now I want to try and add some final effects here. I'm going to experiment with some animation of the text. You can see that there's some cool options. The best way, again, is always to just experiment and see. I like this growing ability. Now instead of the photograph moving and becoming dynamic, the text is becoming dynamic. This could look great if you're sharing imagery on a screen or for just any presentation. Now I'm going to test out some other designs, like remix it up and see what this might look at with another design. Again, that's that smart feature of Adobe. It gives you so many options to play with. And as I continue to play with the different tests, I like the one that I originally chose, so I'm going to keep that one. And now it's time to save my post. So I can save it as a video or an image. If I want to keep the dynamic, I need to choose video. With video, it's going to save as an MP4, and you can embed this again into presentations or load it to social media, however you want to do it. It creates a video and it's very easy to load up. It saves to my photos, so right to my, on my iPad, it's saving right to where the rest of my media is. The other option though then is to save it as a regular image, and this would be how I turn it into a post or a poster that I'm going to hang up in my school for everyone to enjoy when they pass by.